Welcome to my class. Today, in today's lesson, we'll be considering various, okay, that will help you for exams. Okay, we're going to consider practice questions across different topics. Okay, all right. Here we have if the quadratic equation 3x raised to power 2 minus 7x plus m is a perfect square. We are required to find the value of m. We are going to use two different methods. Solution using two different methods. Using two different methods now. Number one, we are going to use discriminant. All right, in quadratic equation, you recall that discriminant b raised to power 2 minus 4ac. When it is equal to 0, that means we have even roots, okay? We have a perfect square. All right, so we're going to apply this to solve for the value of m. But before we proceed, please just use 3 seconds, okay, to share this live class so that others can easily benefit. All right, let's share this live class. Okay. All right. So, thank you. If you can hear me, say hi. If you can hear me clearly, say hi. Welcome. If you can hear me clearly, please say hi. Thank you. All right. So let's solve. Okay, to solve this problem is very simple. So ax squared is equals to 0. Now comparing okay, so let's continue, please. All right, comparing it with this expression, you notice here that a is 3, then b is minus 7, and substitute, okay? Thank you. Please, if you can see me, if you can see what we are doing, kindly say hi. Thank you. Fair Plus. Oh, it seems network is disturbing. We're having network challenge here. Oh, network. Can you see me clearly now? All right, let's proceed. To solve this. So I have here comparing 3x squared minus 7x plus m. A here is 3, b is minus 7, and c is what? M. Cool. All right, so from here, we can have b raised to power 2 minus 4 is equals 0. Our b here is minus 7, so I can have minus 7 all raised to power 2 minus 4 multiplied by, what is our a? A is 3 multiplied by c. What is c? C is what? M. So we are going to equate it to 0. Okay, so 7 is same as 7 times minus 7 minus 12m equals 0. So we can have minus 49 minus 12m equals 0. So let this, okay, we are going to move this minus 12m to the right hand side so that we can have minus 49. This is positive, okay? 49 is equals to 12m. Now divide through by 12. Please, if you can see us clearly, just say hi. All right, so divide through by 12 in order to find m. You have 49 divided by 12 is equals to 49 is equals to 12 here. Please, this is 12 divided by 12. Remember, we have m here, so that this can cancel, and you have, therefore, our m is equals to 49 over 12. So that's the value of m here. So if you add 49 over 12 here, this expression entirely will become a perfect square. Do you get it? So we are going to use another method to solve now. Are you getting it? Remember what I said? So, okay, let's say I write something like this. We are going to have 3x squared minus 7x plus 49 over 12. So this is a perfect square. See what I have done? I'm going to use two different methods. I said first is discriminant method by equating b squared minus 4ac as 0. Our b here is this minus 7. Then our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 3. Then our m now is equivalent to this c, which is the constant term, okay? So when you compare this with the general quadratic equation, this is general quadratic equation, or general form of quadratic equation, okay? So if you compare this with the given problem, you notice that a is 3, our b here is minus 7, and our c is m. So use it to equate here. Then you can find the specific value of what m that will make this expression a perfect square. Now let's solve via the second method. Oh God, I'm really having issue with respect to network here. Okay, please, if you can see us clearly, if you can see what we are doing clearly, just say hi. Say hi in the comment section. We are having small problem with respect to network. Sure. Oh, hello. Can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh God. Okay. Sure. Okay. Okay. The second method now. A perfect square. All right. Okay. So solving this is very simple now. What I'm going to do, I am going to consider 3x squared minus 7x plus m from ax plus b all raised to power 2, which is same as ax plus b multiplied by ax plus b, so that we can have a square x square, then ax multiplied by b, you have ax b, okay? Then you have another one plus bax, then plus b raised to power 2, so that you can still have a square x square plus 2ax, okay, b plus b raised to power 2. So this will give you the expansion of ax plus b all raised to power 2. Okay, now compare it with, now comparing So comparing with 3x raised to power 2 minus 7x plus m with a square x square plus 2ax b plus b raised to power 2. You notice here that 3 and equate coefficients. Remember, we're going to equate coefficients here. Okay, hope you can see it properly. Yeah, so let's equate our coefficients. I will have 3x squared is same as a square x. Okay, so that this x can cancel. Please, this is x squared. It can cancel. You have 3 is equals to a squared. So that our a will now be plus or minus square root of 9. Now, similarly, let me equate this 2ax, okay, with 2axb is same as this minus 7x, so that x can go, we can cancel x, okay, and have 2 bracket, what is a? Plus or minus, please, this is plus or minus 3. This is plus or minus 3. Good. So here is root. Our a is root 3. Then multiply by b is equals to minus 7. Let me just write here a, but a equals plus or minus root 3. All right. So we can find b now. B should be equal to minus equals to this our m is equals to m. Okay, see it here when you compare. What is that comparison? See it here, b squared is equal to our m here after the expansion. Okay, so I can have our b already is this. See, our b is this, but b equals minus 7 all divided by 2 root 3. Good. So I can now have that my b is equals to all in minus 7 divided by 2 root 3, all raised to power 2. Okay, can I have 49 divided by, this is 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by bracket root 3 all raised to power 2, so that these two can cancel. I will still have 49 divided by 4 bracket 3. Therefore, b, okay, therefore b is equal to, can you see it? Good. So b is equal to 49 over 12 as before. As before. All right, so this is how you can solve these problems, okay? This is how you can easily solve these problems. Okay. Thank you. So this is this. All right, this is the second method.